Ukraine proceeds to a new level in its war against Russian invaders. After the shock offensive on Russian Kursk region last night, Russia experienced a massive drone attack, with its Ministry of Defense reporting the interception of 75 drones. The attack targeted several regions, including Belhorod, Lipetsk, Kursk, Bryansk, Voronezh, and Oryol, as well as Crimea and the Black Sea. Additionally, unmanned boats were reported heading toward Crimea. In Shebekino, Belhorod region, there were strikes on Russian military positions, and in the Lipetsk region, explosions and a fire occurred at a military airfield, reportedly due to the detonation ammunition. Large explosions were taking place at Lipetsk Air Base in Russia, located 282 kilometers from Ukraine. The air bases has Su-34s, MiG-29s, Su-25s, and at times even Su-57s. Residents from 4 settlements next to the Lipetsk Air Base are being evacuated. Massive munitions stockpile was hit and continues to detonate at the base. Surviving Russian military aircraft are urgently fleeing the Lipetsk Air Base after massive Ukrainian strikes. Ukrainian naval drone attack on Chornomorsky in occupied Crimea. Some separate Special Forces battalion, Arbat or Akhmat, can't really tell, arrived in Kursk to reassure its citizens and protect state border. The only problem is the border is quite far away.
Отдельный батальон специального назначения «Арбат» прибыл в Курскую область для защиты государственных границ, для выполнения любых задач. Враг будет разбит, победа будет за нами.
Korn Group of the 116th Mechanized Brigade shared footage of Ukrainian equipment reportedly entering inside Russian territory. Our equipment moves on Russian soil as if it were our land. We will turn it into Ukrainian land, they add. Russia is sending more reinforcements to the Kursk region. Yes, please continue to post videos of incoming convoys on easily geolocatable routes. No, this is not a good Russian. This is an incredible Russian.
Мы, жители Курской области, не понимаем, почему вы нас убиваете, бандеровцы. Вот мы вас освобождаем, у вас СВО, а вы к нам пришли с войной. Мы не понимаем, за что нас. Мы об этом у вас не просили, еще и кричите «Москаляку на гиляку». Вот мы стреляем только по стратегических объектах, а вы бомбите жилые дома, больницы, уничтожаете русский народ. Живите там на своей Украине и нас не трогайте. И вообще, мы не в политике.
In Kursk, Ukraine might have delivered a political blow to Putin, nurturing his people's suspicion that he may not be able to protect them. Putin lives by the law of the strong, which dictates that he is to be replaced when perceived weak.
С председателем правительства Мы разговаривали совсем недавно. Будем считать, что решение о единовременной выплате по 10 тысяч рублей гражданам, которые в этом нуждаются, принято, и необходимые ресурсы будут направлены. Кроме этого, надо будет оценить и другой ущерб. Пожалуйста, вместе с коллегами из различных ведомств, в том числе по линии МЧС, эту работу надо будет провести. Имеется в виду утрата имущества, утрата жилья, уже в полном масштабе надо будет все это сделать. И как в таких случаях, я всегда говорю, нужно обязательно работать непосредственно с людьми, доходить до каждой семьи.
The Russians report that the Ukrainian military monitors the movement of infantry and equipment of the Russian armed forces through hacked online cameras located on the homes of local residents of the Kursk region. Smart move. New design of road signs in Lyubimovka, Kursk region.
На русском лайв наехал.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.